equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the warranty process for the Dell Alienware P111F. This guide will help you understand what to do if you encounter issues with your device. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device without causing any damage. Begin by powering off your Alienware P111F and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage. Next, remove the screws located on the back panel. There are typically 10 screws, so keep track of them. It's a good idea to use a magnetic tray to avoid losing any screws during the process. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could crack the casing. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. Now that the back panel is off, you'll want to check for any dust or debris inside. Use compressed air to clean out the fans and vents. This is essential for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating. Regular cleaning can extend the life of your device significantly. If you notice any loose connections or components, carefully reseat them. This can often resolve issues like random shutdowns or performance lags. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. Next, let's talk about the warranty. If your device is still under warranty, you can contact Dell support for assistance. Make sure to have your purchase receipt and warranty information handy. They may ask you to perform some troubleshooting steps, so be prepared. If your warranty has expired, don't worry. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision about whether to proceed with the repair or not. After you've completed your checks and cleaning, carefully reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is snug but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Finally, power on your device and check if everything is functioning correctly. If you still experience issues, it might be time to seek professional help. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, and we make the process as seamless as possible for you. By following these steps, you can ensure your Dell Alienware P111F remains in top condition and understand the warranty process better. Regular maintenance and knowing your options can save you time and money in the long run. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.